Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. 3 tall ships are spending the weekend in Portsmouth. Here's why. 3 tall ships are spending the weekend in Portsmouth for a 4-day festival celebration maritime history. The 3-masted Oliver Hazard Perry, the schooner Harvey Gamage, and the schooner Roseway arrived Wednesday and traveled up the Piscataqua River. And here's a photo of one of the ships, as you can see. The Sail Portsmouth Festival officially started Thursday and runs through Sunday. There will be dock tours, daytime and sunset cruises, educational exhibits, music, and food. The event returns after a year of host. In 2017, Sail Boston paid $400,000 to $50,000 per ship in exchange for a non-compete clause for a certain number of miles from this city. This led to the cancellation of the annual event in Portsmouth. The Harvey Gamage will depart the UNH Pier in Newcastle for day sails each day through Sunday. There are 4 2-hour sails on Friday and Saturday and 3 on Sunday. The Oliver Hazard Perry will be docked at the commercial fish pier on Pierce Island throughout the weekend and open for tours. Gates open at 10 a.m. and will be open every day during Sail Portsmouth until 5 p.m. Proceeds go to the Piscataqua Maritime Commissioner's Sea Challenge program, which gives teenagers the opportunity to experience sail training on a tall ship each summer. For more information and to purchase tickets ahead of time, go to sailportsmouth.org. Tickets can also be purchased at the gate. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great morning, everyone, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.